Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And Dr. Shov is really excited about this weekend as far as amateur radio operation. Check this out.
Amateur radio operators, well, you guys are also enjoying life quite a bit because we've boosted the solar flux back up into the high 70s, almost 80s, which is unheard of for this time in the solar cycle. We should be enjoying some decent radio propagation on Earth's day side, and these conditions could easily continue over the next 2 weeks, even though you're going to get a little bit of noise on the bands from some of these low-class flares that have been firing. Now, as far as your GPS use...
She, earlier in our broadcast, she gave the numbers. Solar flux index will be in the 70s for at least this weekend and possibly, as she said, a couple of weeks. So this would be a good time to check out the amateur radio bands, the shortwave listing bands, the international broadcasts, all that stuff on the HF frequencies. So check her out. She's at Tabitha... I probably can't pronounce it right, but there's her YouTube channel name. Check her out, see the full video, and then subscribe because she does a fantastic job of giving us predictions about what amateur radio and shortwave listing is going to be like in the coming weeks. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great weekend. Bye-bye.